हाली गोयंग राइट विंग लेफ्ट विंग इबाद करता तकलीफ बाय डिबेटिंग ऑन एवरीथिंग न्यू वेरिएशन बी क्लिशे जितलो तूं हेंच्या पयस तितलो मनीस तूं बरो न्यूज बी पळोवंक गेल्यार मनीस जाता किरकिरो जाता सिरफिरो लॉजीक सोडून फक्त चोरांक म्हणटा तो हांगा हिरो हिरो असले मेवल्यार तांकां समजों नाका बाबा हय सायबा म्हूण याद बी दवरूं नाका नांवां तुका देशद्रोही म्हणून तूं ओगी कर कामां देशाक वाचोवपाक बाबा देश सोंपोवन आतां नाका हांगा आमी मनीस सगळे एक अशें चिंतून चल बाबा इतिहासाक लागून प्रेजेंट पावक करूं कित्याक सांगा स्मायल कर असो सोड आर्ग्युमेंट नाका याद दवर ओवर थिंकींग करून तकली जाल्यार जगशे असो सोड असो सोड
All right, there he is, the great Indian Goan rapper, singer, songwriter, and amazing person, a crowd puller, Amit Naik, the waking grant. Yokar Amit amcha ite karyabolin.
थँक यू
And friends, it's time now to introduce our second guest, and here he is.
कसले जिवीत आमचे वायफाय कनेक्शनाचे तकली आमची फोना भितर दिसभर आनी रातचे पडले ना कोणाचे जिवीत जगता दुसऱ्याचे वयता थिंग फोटो मारता बरो दिसपाक इंस्टाचेर.
All right, an amazing person with different talent who has a great passion for music and cinematography, a chef by profession, and also they both are masters in coming up with the currently issues जे आमच्या गोंयान घडटात ते तुमच्या नोदरेक पावयतात, that too through their music. Please welcome Kabir Moraes.
Thank you,
येवकार
Candy.
तुका आमच्या हेजे कार्यावळीन. So how are you all? Good.
बहुत दिसता आमी जाय तेंपान मेळ्ळे.
Wait, tell me something. What is the secret behind your French beer?
I have revealed my secret. He's yet to reveal.
I didn't share, that's why I don't remove my bandana. We are both bald and both have beards, but mine is
Are you hiding?
white. I'm hiding it.
Okay. कितल्या वर्सांनी मेळ्ळें?
Darling. Hey,
Before
two
COVID
and a
last.
half.
Okay, which was the last song together?
Wi-Fi connection
Yeah,
was the
that's what-
last together.
Okay, so Kabir, let's start with you.
Sang,
All set?
all set.
Okay. Okay. Tell me something. Is it तुझ्या भुरगेपणासार अशें सुरू जालें की जावं सोशल एक्टिविटीज जे कितें आसा जावं अवेरनेस करपाक जावं तुका कशें सुचलें? How did you come up? Like did it start from a tender age?
No, actually, it didn't start from the tender age. ल्हानपणी मुगे दीस सदां आमचे त्या तेंपार आमी भुरगीं कितको सारताले शेतां वचोन भाटां वचोन नाल्ल काडपाचे कितें कोंकी पुंजावपाचे कितें काजू काडपाचे तेसो सगळें मुगे आय एन्जॉयड माय चायल्डहूड टू द फुलस्ट. मुगे सोशल सर्वीस इंट्रस्ट केदोन जालें जेन्ना हांव बोटीर वचपा लागलो आनी जेन्ना हांवें दुसरे गांव चोयले.
Okay.
And I saw the world. By the way, I was around the world almost 5 times, and I've been to all the continents. So ते दुसरी गांव चोन म्हाका दिसपा लागलें की इतू साफ बरें ऑर्गनायज्ड तुगेलें सिस्टम आसा तेंगेले तेंगे मनीस कितू ती प्रजा जी आहा ती काय बर तेंची systems follow करताय, you know, they don't break traffic rules, they don't litter anywhere. You know, there is so much of discipline. तेंच आमगे इंडिया कित्याक जायना, तेंच आमगे गोंया कित्याक जायना. So that is my main focus की आमी ते दिशाचेर आतां आमी चलोंक जाय. Discipline is very important because we live in a community.
Alright, you've been also conducting seminars like recently तुवें म्हाका दिसता
Seminar केले.
मागीर तुवें अशें जायते आनीक जायते चालू केले. इवन तूं पर्सनली आपूण खुद जें कितें लोकांक वायट जाता जें कितें लोकांक वायट जावचें आसा तें पयलींच तूं लोकांक अलर्ट करता. इन अ वे you are like, you know, approaching the needy, especially during the COVID times. You were the one who approached them personally. Okay, so why does this motivate you? How does this thing comes like?
So this कितें जाता सगळे मनीस सगळीं बोटे एक आसनाय फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सो म्हाका तें कितें दिसता की जेन्ना आमकां जेन्ना when a person is satisfied with his job, with his family, with his salary, with a house, shelter, you know, मनशा म्हणटा कितें जाय रावपा म्हणटा घर जाय तुका, फूड आवपा जेवपा पोटां कितें आहा तें आनी तुगेलें What is that? Basic needs, the 3 basic needs. Yeah, to wear clothes, shelter, and food. This is what we need. So, market this when we are all blessed with this, so we should not, crave for more. And whenever you are blessed with something like this and even little more, then I feel like it's our duty to give away something. So that's how I started. It was during the COVID time. I पहिले की जायत जाणांगे jobs नाहलले, they lost their jobs during the COVID times and all. I चिंतलें की I मुगे friends followers जायत है फेसबुकाचेर बीन हांव पोस्ट घालता की म्हाका एशें करूं जाय कोणा आदार दिवपा जाय ते आनी तेश करून म्हाका जायत जाणांनी आदार दिले आनी एश कोन्न पासून म्हणटा कबीर तूं फुडें सरलो म्हूण I trust you, हांव तुका फायनान्शियली सपोर्ट करता, चल फुडें. तेका लागून एश कोन्न हांवें 2-3 पाट and have done this 2 times distributed ration for the needy, and I have completed over 150 families in both the times.
हे भाशेन हांगा जो जायतो तुवें सोशल वर्क social activities तुवें जायतो चालूच आसा तुज्यो.
चालूच आसा.
Moving on to our waking grant. Okay, straightforward question. हांव जाणा जायते तुजे मोतीन येता, जायते आसा आनी जायते तुज्या खात्यांतले भायर सोदता ते. ओके, सो टेल मी समथींग. तुमी दोगांयनी एक पावट जेन्ना रस्त्याक फोन कॉल पडटा तेन्ना तुमी कांतारां काडटा गार्बेज इश्यूचेर, तुमी कांतारां काडटा आनी अशें जाता की तुमी सरकाराक सुदरावंक जायतो त्रास जायते हें घेता, उपाय घेता. कितलो सरकार सुदारला?
सरकाराक सुदारता हांवूच सुदारलो. म्हणजे इट्स लायक ऑल द वॉयसीस आर hearing to the deaf ears, no?
कितें इम्पॅक्ट जाता पूण तुमी जे कितें
तेच हांव सुदारला न्हू, आय गिवन अप. दॅट्स द ओनली थिंग.
सिन्स यू आर द रॅपर नाव आनी लोक तुका पळयता, तुजे फॅन्स कांयच खेळना भितर तूं एक इट्स लायक वेकिंग ग्रांट इज अ नेम एवरीवेअर. सो गोंयचो रॅपर म्हण जेन्ना तुका दिसता तेन्ना कशें फील जाता?
गोंग हांगा रॅपर बी हांव कांय ना. वी आर ऑल गोवन्स एंड जस्ट लायक एवरीवे everything fakes with time. If you are seen in the videos, you will be applauded for a while. Even the issues, everything fakes with time. 4 दिसाचे चान्ने मागीर कितें आहा ती गार्बेज येता everywhere. And even though everything has been known, make away to the people, at the end of the day, they vote the same.
कबीर, तूं बोटीचेर सर्वीस करता म्हणटच कितलीं वर्सां जालीं आयज बोटीचेर आसता?
ऑलमोस्ट 20 वर्सां.
20 वर्सां. आनी थंयसर सावन मागीर तूं हांगासर येता. पूण म्हाका एक गमोंक जाय आनी आमच्या ऑडियन्साकूय गमपाक जाय की तूं बोटीर आसता, सर्वीस करता, बट तुजी तकली मेंटली मागीर दिसता गोंयां आसता. ओके, सो हाव डज इट गो हँड इन हँड? लायक यू वर्क ऑन द शीप एंड मेंटली यू आर थिंकींग सम तूं कितें करूंक सोदता गोंयकारां लागून. सो कितें
मुगे तें चालू आसता.
And when you come down, you put it in practice.
Yes, no. Even from there, I have good friends in Goa.
Amit, tell me Amit's style of working. Like, zaite I videos poita, zaite albums I poita. Every time Amit is the waking grant is with some new faces. How is your style of working?
Style kire the topic dila kire what they expect from me I deliver. No, that's it. That is how the business works. Actually, music, everything is business nowadays. That is why art is dying, but artists are dying, art is surviving somewhere down the line. Unkiri a sad song gele tu, but you are in a happy mood right now. You won't listen to that song. You will listen to that only when you are alone, when you are dealing with your own demons inside. No, so बाहेरसून तुका party anthem ना जाल्यार हांगा party चालू जायना. But deep within, everybody listens to the loneliness. The main म्हटल्यार everyone feels lonely at some part of time, and maybe that time is आमची song आयकून मातशें कितें तांकां मातशें बरें दिसता. That is our job basically as an artist. So anybody who approaches me with the good content and stuff, it's करपा जाय न्हू. Maybe down the line the numbers doesn't matter. The main impact which it's gonna have on the people, that will matter most.
Okay, general question to both of you. Currently, what is going on in your mind? Like जायती खातारा पळयता, रॅप सॉंग आसता, सोशल मेसेजीस संदेश दिवपा सारकी आसता. बट इज इट समथींग अगेन्स्ट द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑर सरकार? सद्या मोतीन कितें येता, कितें चालू आहा?
ना कितें जाल्यार खबर आहा, टॅग जाली, टॅग एज इफ टॅग If you're going to criticize something, it can be a genuine issue. Then the main question, there won't be a solution or answer to that. There'll be a counter question saying like, तू का मरे पडला सगळं तुझ्या माथ्यावर किती दिला. So I'm asking म्हणजे लाईट गेली फोन मला अरे इन्व्हर्टर घाल मरे अरे उदक गेलं टाकी ना रे तुमचे अरे आव टाकी कित्याक घेऊ तू सारखे उदक दी मरे. So basic genuine question to counter question कर that means are we living in democracy? आता हांव उलयलें हांव आहे आता आमची MG तो झोपलो आता आम्ही झोपतलो दोघे.
Alright, Kabir, tell me something. तुमचे collaborations now, even like social networking sites, कशें आसा when you're coming up with rap song, how is it your combination?
So basically, we don't have anything in mind. Suddenly, like like how we met. I met Amit through social media. Suddenly like that, and we like, उलयता आमचे मोती येलेले काय कितें चल. तर एक कांतार घे रे कितें तुजी मोती कितें आहा तो मागीर जाता तुजी मोती कितें आहा तेजी मोती कितें आहा मागीर दोगांय we put our ideas on the table and then if we decide like say चल फुडें सरूया तेश कोन by chance nobody plans for something, it happens by chance.
Okay, social networking site plays an important role for
Very
you
important role.
especially
Very
because
important.
लोकांक कांय obstruction or कितें हें जावपा तूं दिना. Suppose तुवें पळयलें a pothole for instance.
Yeah.
जर तो लायटीचो खांबो if it's distracting people,
Yeah.
you immediately take a photo, upload it on the Facebook.
Yeah.
So how much have people like accepted your things or कितले alerts ते जाता?
No, it's really accepted आणि जायते डिफरन्स जाला आणि तूं तेश कोन कोत्ते पळोवन दुसऱ्यांकूय मोटिवेशन येयला ते म्हाकाय आमगे गांवांत तो कोत्ते भाशेन कितें करया तशें कोन सो इट मोटिवेट्स अदर्स ऑल्सो टू डू द सेम.
All right. Okay, coming up next, what are your upcoming projects?
Yeah, my 8-track album might come maybe this May and poya tha. And it will be called Pravachan. I like to give Pravachan, so I guess a
Alright.
compilation.
Okay, since social issues the main highlight kota, what is one thing that has to be improved now in the current scenario? Tari to poishi.
माझ्या हिशोबान I feel being offended has become a hobby. ते लोकांक बाबा समजपाक जाय पळय. एक तो that might be his personal opinion. No, let him. Constitution gives him a right to give his opinion. Let him. You don't be offended. सगळ्याक जाल्यार opinion दिवपाची तरी कित्याक? If you're gonna be offended, then don't be open for suggestions and stuff. No, तू आपण declare कर आमचं हे जायला घे नाल्यार मर. ते तरी कर नाल्यार तू विचारत नाका न्हू. But then again, if you talk about something हे तर समजा टॅग दिता हे ते ऑफेंड जावप न्हू हें जालें सगळ्यांचो आनी मागीर कितें जालें हांगा शिक्को इंटरनॅशनल अरे.
Tell me something on this. I want to ask you a question. Do you miss your last job? Whatever you were doing.
I was working for Propaganda.
Yeah, I was just asking.
Do you miss those things?
ना तें नासलें. The job was good, but then again, I wasn't feeling comfortable in it because somewhere down the line, if I was doing that job, I would be writing about this show, and now I'm actually being interviewed in this show. So that is the big
You happen to
difference.
be also an engineer.
ते आता कितें सगळे इंजिनियर.
Right. Okay, tell me something. एक rap song बरयतलो जाल्यार तुका कितलो time लागता?
Depends. But if the issue is close to my heart, I can just pick it out.
Okay.
Well, one thing I can tell you about him, he writes lyrics intellectually.
Wow.
Intellectually.
Sounds great. Let me take a taste. I'm giving a small activity now. Okay, हांव 2 वर्डां दितले. You need to do together. दोगांयकूय दिता हांव. तुम्ही बारापोन एकठांय येवन ते रॅप तुम्ही म्हाका करून दाखोवपाचे. First word will be Aadhaar card.
Aadhaar card.
Take your own time.
आधार कार्ड आपण ना कसलो आधार.
Aadhaar card.
बाबा
Aadhaar card.
मारून आम्ही हांगा म्हणटा गव्हर्नमेंट मातसो सुदार. हांगा हे पळय रिंगां कागून कोण दिना आतां उदार.
आणि आधार कार्ड मेळोन डुप्लिकेट करून जाले आमी फुगार.
आणि हांगा भायले येवन घेता पगाराचेर पगार.
आनी बोला?
हा
बोला?
ना हांवें भितर घालतले.
Alright, next word is Urrak.
उराक मारून या तुगे बोडसां पसून पडपना बुराक. कंटिन्यू कर.
कुर्राक मारिया घरा ओगी वचन न्हिदया दुसरे दिसा उठोया तकली शांत करपाक आनी गेल्ले मारयो सांजचे जाता तेच एक म्हण आयकन न्हू एकदां कितें जालें फ्रेंड म्हाजो उर्राकाल ना सांगता ही वॉज डिलिव्हरिंग द पार्सल्स ओके 7 जाली ऑफिशियल ड्युटी एक्झॅक्ट 7 सो 7:30 जाल्ली आतां एक पार्सल उरला ते आतां फाल्यां कोण दितलो तेणी ताका मारलो फोन हॅलो सर सॉरी मातसो लेट जालो तुमी खंय आहा आपूण पार्सल घेवन तो म्हणलो तूं गोंयकार मरे बाबा हय म्हणलो आपूण गोंयकार ह्या टायमार खंय आसता म्हणलो तुका कळना येते फाल्यां सो दीस इज द येते आतां
रॅप बरें आहलें. Okay, let's move on to something called as rapid fire. I call it rapid fire.
Rapid fire. Oh, yeah.
So shall we start?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay. All right, rapid fire round with our waking brand. Are you all set?
Yeah.
Okay. Start. सरकाराची टिका कोता तेन्ना तुज्या तोंडाक पयलें उतर खंयचें येता?
I can't say that here.
ओके तुज्या बॉल्सान फोना शिवाय आनी कितें आसा तें दाखय.
सॅनिटायझर
You still wrong with it?
मागीर मोरपा आतां
Okay. तुवें निमाणें सोंपोन खंयचें पयलेलें?
that also I can't disclose.
Okay, are you married?
No.
Confused?
No, येयले talk something ते.
Okay, जेन्ना तूं न्हिदलोलो आसता, which is the best time to wake you up?
Maybe before noon.
Okay. ताज्या before noon. Okay. What do you do to have fun?
I be alone.
Okay. तुज्या सगळ्यान आवडीची भुरग्यापणांतली इंजरी खंयची?
Injury? एकदां पडलेले आमी सायकलीन आनी म्हाज्या फुडल्यान आहलो म्हणजे ट्रिपल आहलो फुडल्यान तो आमी पडले अशे पूण हेणी मचून तो पळय म्हणजे हांव म्हाजे पांय लांब न्हू पांय लांब पडटा आनी तेणी पयलीं रुखी घातली
Alright. Okay. What was the most embarrassing moment you've experienced with your parents?
Embarrassing. कितें सांगता ती म्हाजे पळयतली न्हू शो.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Do you want to be a politician ever?
No, because that is 24/7 you have to be for the service of people. I'm not capable of doing that. My limitations.
Okay. असली खंयची गोष्ट आसा जी तुका चड इरिटेट करता, तकली पिड्यार करून घालता?
News.
News. Okay. If you could talk in your sleep, what would you say?
हांव बेकार आसा 2 वर्सां जालीं गोरवां राखूंक सुद्दां दोरी नाकोंक आली नुस्तें गोरोवंक गेल्यार हांव कचरो काडी एकदां पयशांक लागून नाकान घातली साडी पूण म्हारगाय म्हाका आतां सोंसना जाली लोक घालता गाडी उदारी करून करून आमी सोंपले जांगा केन्ना आतां काम मेळटलें आतां पडली पाग आतां लायता जाग नाल जाल्या म्हारग आतां लायता माग ते फाटा म्हटल्यार टायम वयतलो आनी नाल विकून बाजारांक कोंग वयतलो देखून बेकार आसा म्हणून आमकां लागीं कोंग घेयना आनी कोंगांक लग्नार हायर करपाक बोल्सान आमच्या कांय ना.
ओके रायट ओके गुड. तुज्या आवडीचो कार्टून कॅरेक्टर खंयचो?
Captain Planet, he's the hero. And that type of cartoon is needed right now. त्या कार्टुनाक हे सगळे कॅपिटलिस्ट पॉलिटिक्स व विलन्स आता ते देव जावन पडले आनी सरकार तेच चलयता.
रायट ओके लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट फोन अ फ्रेंड.
आनी बेश्टो मार फोन
मार
एकल्याचो आमचो इंजरी जालो तेका मारतो फोन तो तेकलो घरा आसतलो न्हू बेकार.
कितें नांव तेजें?
महादेव एलायस रोहित मोरजकार ते ट्रक मारलेले आली दे से एवरीथिंग रोग एक्सिडेंट सेम आमची गरीब पंचायत स्पीक ब्रेकर सुद्दां ना स्पिकरार धरू
होय यू कॅन जस्ट टेल यू इन द स्टुडिओ.
ओके सांगता पयलीं न्हू. हॅलो हॅलो आयक रे हांव प्रोगंडाच्या स्टुडिओन म्हाका फोन मारपाक लायला तुका आनी खबर आरे पाट पडलेले आयक प्रोगंडाच्या स्टुडिओन आनी हांगा फोन मारपाक लायल्लो तुका तुजो खबर घेवपाक फोन मारलो सगळ्या लोकां फुडें घट मरे तूं. हय हांव सारको ना तें म्हणटात रे म्हाका पूण तूं लोकां फुडें लच करना सारको उलय रे. घट मरे तूं हात बी आहा मरे ओके आनी बरें बरें देव बरें करूं चल.
Alright. आणि रिस्क घेऊन ऑलराइट लास्ट तू सगळ्यान कित्याक वर्स्ट आसा
Worst,
what are your worst
to be brutally honest, I guess, because honesty isn't the best policy right now.
right and सगळ्यान बेस्ट कित्याक ना
Maybe in pretending also.
alright well played alright we are moving on to Kabir now are you scared with the phone call
Shit, तेगे चोन माता हांव बिलो.
okay Kabir do you have a middle name
No.
No? Okay. जेन्ना तूं तुज्या फुड्यांत लोक गार्बेज रस्त्यार उडयता तेन्ना तुका तांकां कितें म्हणून दिसता
पळय तेन्ना म्हाका हेचो राग येता पूण कितें दे आर सिटिजन्स एनीवे सो आय एम ऑलवेज पोलायट विथ देम बरे भाशेन केन्ना तकली फिरल जाल्यार मागीर कितें जाता.
Okay. Alright. What would you do if a wild goose started chasing you?
I just stop and look at him, stare in his eyes.
Okay. Can you remember the most fun time you've had?
Yeah,
What
in my
was it?
backyard. I
Okay.
always have fun there.
What were you doing there?
Cooking.
Okay. Which is the most funniest prank played on you or played by you?
Played on me, I can tell you.
What was it?
I was in my cabin and all my friends brought me out of my of the bathroom, stripped me off only with my underwear and put me out of the cabin.
Was that a prank?
Brutal one.
Okay. If you had to change your name, what would you change into?
Yeah, I'm very happy with my name.
If you get a chance to be a minister, which portfolio you'll grab first?
Oh my God, this is a very tough question. I would straight away grab for environmental minister.
Okay. What do you like, cricketer or commentator?
Cricketer.
Okay. पावसाचो तेंप लागीं पावलो
Mhm.
ओके म्हणटच तुवें पुरुमेंत कसो जावं कितें हाडून दवरला पुरुमेंत
म्हाका स्टार्ट करूंक जाय
तें
अजून स्टार्ट केला ना मुगे चोदा मोल करप आनी सांबाळ आनी तशें सगळें तुगेले पारो बीन कोण दवरप
व्हॉट अबाउट दॅट कुंडीज एंड ऑल
कोणी जर केलाय न्हू चोयला ते रेडी आहाय म्हगेली 3 कोंडी आहात म्हजे कडेन
ओके ओके कैन यू स्पेल मी
एनी
मी
Huh?
मी
You. CNDIDA. Candida. CNDIDA.
DA
DA.
right
Okay. Good.
okay what is the strangest thing you have ever eaten
Whale meat.
whale how does it taste
It is. I would say it is like a 20-time concentrated taste of a fish.
Amit can I try kotal okay what is the most interesting thing you have in your purse or wallet right now
Nothing interesting, but I have only the pictures of my family.
pictures okay when you dance you look like
Like an injured man.
oh you don't know to dance
I'm very bad at dancing. That's the worst.
okay well played both of you guys and now we are moving with something very interesting that's going to happen here
What
and
is
it's a
it?
small game show small
Uh-huh.
activity for you all
Okay.
okay so are you all ready to go ahead
Always ready.
okay let's get started all right now we are moving on to a needle and thread game okay there'll be 3 rounds okay first round is कोण पयले घालता तो विनर हो म्हणपाचो कन्सिडर विनर कोणा अकुल लागता ना परफेक्ट आइज
Perfect.
alright okay so we'll start with the first round
Yeah.
then I'll go ahead with the second okay your time starts now कोणा यूज हा चोड
मम्मी म्हाकाच सांगता
शुपा पयलीं तूं घालतलो दिसता म्हाका कायली दिसता
ना ही बारीक हा
टायम लागतलो
हे कर लागतोय बाय
हय इतलें अटेन्शन देऊ
इन गॅलरी
हांव कितें करता
आज तकली पिड्या जाता
कसले जिवीत आमचे
निडल आणि ट्रेडाचे
तकली आमची सुईत
दिसत आणि रातचे
साहेब जमचे नाही
जायना गिव अप
आय डोंट गिव्ह अप
दुकान
गिव अप Kabir, you're still trying?
येस
I can try. Faith can move mountains and
Zaina.
शे
Zaina.
आठवण
Alright,
नाही.
never give up. Alright, still, there's something more. Okay? एक झाले, दहावे आवड तुम्ही. Rapper त्या रॅपरच तुम्ही सगळे दिसतात ना. Okay? So we'll move on to the second round. That is little bit easy.
हा
Pick up the needle. One of you.
ओके
Thread.
how hello
Yeah. Now you all decide who wants to put the thread.
he is the one who never gives up.
I'll just give you time limit because तुम चोर डोकत घालता. Okay, there is a scissor if you want to trim it and all.
हा
पोहे सांगलो
Trim it. Okay.
सारखी ओके
I'll give you 1 minute.
ओके
Start.
हात धराव
क्या सारखी का
होय तो हात धराव
हात करवटा.
तू तू तोच धर रे तू काय कर नाका घालपा हा ते हांव घाता
जाऊ बिर हा ये एक दोन तीन
एक दोन ए ते आणके
दे कट कट
ये.
10 seconds more. Come on. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Okay, the other way around now. Same thread. Lucky thread के तो म्हणते.
चल आता तुझ्या हाडा कुडकी काढल्यान गाडी तू जोकडो येतलो भितर शी सांग
ना
लस जातो मरे आमकां आख्खे गोंय आमके हें कोतले
Start. Come on, Amit.
हे घातले
Oh,
अरे
nice. Finally, you did it.
झाले
Done.
आता आम्ही शिकले ना प्रॅक्टिस
Practice झाली तुमची. 2 round practice झाली. Okay.
घातली मरे
Thank you so much, guys. And before we leave, I have a small token of appreciation for you both. Yes. This is a small token of appreciation from the team Prudent Media for both of you. This is for you, Amit, and this is for you.
थँक यू सो मच
Thank you so much. निमणे स्वातिर, कितें message आमच्या पॉलिनारांक?
keep patience everything's gonna get all right and I'm not a politician to give you free assurances. Just need to stay calm and life is gonna get better eventually.
Kabir, something from you.
Very simple. Keep loving Goa. Keep loving your country. Keep loving all the people. मोगान की जात नाही तर केन्नाय रागान जायना.
Right. Thank you so much. तुमकां सगळ्यांक आमची कार्यावळ पळयतल्यांक चडांत चड देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडियाचेर कॅन्डिड
With
विथ कॅन्डिडेट.